take a cup of water, a piece of cardboard, place the cardboard over the cup, flip it upside down, and let go. The air pressure will actually hold the cardboard to the top of the cup, even though the water is very heavy in the cup. Now you're going to get a few drips of it running out the side of the cardboard, but even though you can't feel the air pressure just when you're in your everyday life, the air pressure is always all around us, all the time, at 14.7 pounds per square inch or more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.